Yes, please come in. Hi, good morning, sir. Good morning, good morning. How are you? Yes, sir, I am fine. So, Rohit, your performance is very nice. Actually, your scorecard, whatever I see right now, is absolutely very nice. It's very impressive. So, Rohit, tell me something about yourself. Okay, sir. I am Rohit. I live in Tamluk. Recently, I completed my graduation from engineering field, and I am very passionate. My dream is scientist, so I want to do it. And sir, and, uh, thank you, sir. So, Rohit, can I ask some question to you? So, what is your goal in your life? Sir, actually, can I say in Bengali? Actually, I am poor in English, so I can't do each and everything in English. So, my dear friend, what do you learn from that? This is the current situation. You have to capability on that position. Due to poor communications, you can't join with that positions. So if you are serious about your life, then definitely, just right now, you can learn it. Because without English, you can't expand your lifestyle. You can't expand your knowledge throughout the world.
Hello, good morning everyone. Myself Sweta Manna from Class 5 Jila Public School. Today I stand before you to share some lines about Independence Day.
Independence Day is a day of showing respect to all our freedom fighters because only for them now we are safe in our home.
I am Suryakant Singh. Today I will say some few lines on our Independence Day. It has been 77 Independence Day of our India.
But this journey was not so easy. There are so many freedom fighters who fought and sacrificed their lives.
So I hope you understand. And my dear friend, if you want to more information about our courses online or offline, then please call me in our given number. So we are waiting for you. Let's meet in our classes. Please, my dear friend, book your demo classes. Then definitely you can understand this class is benefit for you or not. Thank you so much.